to solve math?
Me!
Your live homework help starts now. Welcome to Count on Us.
What is the length from the entrance to the giant wheel?
All right, so let's add 3 here and see what happens.
First, measure first. I need you to double check yourself. So the second equation for solve perimeter is?
2 times length plus 2 times width.
Good afternoon and welcome to the elementary version of Count on Us. I'm Shari Sternberg and I am here to help you with your math homework. I'm so glad you're joining me on this beautiful day outside. You're inside getting your homework done first and then you can enjoy some of the weather. I have some challenges for you that I'd like to throw out to you, but first let me give you our number. The number to call is 301-77, give me that number, 772-0080. 0080. So give us a call, start calling now, check in your homework, and give us a call with those problems you need some help with. We have the challenges. I'm going to give those to you. I want you to copy them down so you can work on them while you're waiting your turn patiently. Let's look down here. We have our standard challenge 24. Challenge 24 is where you have the 4 numbers. You have to use all 4 numbers and any of the computations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and or division to get these numbers to equal 24. So let's copy them down. Card A. These are all 6s, okay? When they're filled in red, they're 9s, but right now these are all 6s. So card A, 6, 6, 6, and 6. Moving to card B, copying it down. 2, 7, 4, and 4. Moving to card C. We have card C. This one's a 9. 9s are heavier than 6s, so they're filled in. They're bigger numbers. We have a 9, a 4, an 8, and a 5. And card D. Again, copying it down. And notice that there's some dots here. These are the 3 dots. They're saying this is the hardest, but I know you guys can do it. 3, 3, 3, and 5. 3, 3, 3, and 5. So hopefully you've copied down all of the numbers. You're going to start thinking about and working on the Challenge 24s. So while you're waiting patiently for us to get to your phone call and your math homework, you will be working on these. Also, and I say us because Mr. Grubb is here, so he's going to join us and help us with some of the math homework we have going on. And he's going to tell you right now about our scramble.
Well, our word scramble, once you unscramble this wonderful word, it is a math word. But right now it's Lariah Patby.
Well, it's kind of like a medical term to me, Patby going on.
So if you can take that big old word there and unscramble it, you'll be in the running for...
And we'll even ring the bell for you.
We'll ring the bell, we'll hoop and holler and shout and all kinds of party stuff.
All right, so we told you about our 2 challenges. We told you our phone number that you can reach us, 301-772-0080. And you can also reach us. First of all, you can watch us stream live on your computer. You can also reach us through email, because we have an email corner where we have students answering your homework problems as well. And that is... COU at
pgcps.org, O-R-G.
And you'll see a sample of those coming up at our break, so stay tuned and watch those and watch our students solve a math problem as well. But we have lots of callers on the line, so I think we should just get to the
ready
phones.
To go today.
Start helping with some homework.
Very good. Derek, are you there? Derek? Derek?
All right, hey, this is Count on Us. Who's out there?
Anyone there?
They're tricking us. I'm not hearing anyone.
Okay.
Try again. Hey, Count on Us. I hear something.
Are you there?
Hey, Count on Us.
Okay, turn down your television so we can hear you, because we're hearing ourselves twice.
And we definitely, it's bad enough hearing us once. We don't want to hear ourselves twice. All right, so hi, who do we have there?
We have when Donald divided...
Wait a minute.
Hold on to the problem. We definitely want to hear that.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Malik.
Hi, Malik.
What school?
Brandywine Elementary.
Brandywine. We're writing that down because your name goes in our apple and we do a drawing at the end of the show. So, Malik, we're so glad that you called. I got it. Brandywine, Malik.
Now what is your problem?
when Donald divided 636 by 6, his quotient was 16. What common mistake did he make?
Okay. Now, that's not 636, that's 636, okay?
Yes.
And he divided by what number?
6.
Okay. Now, how are you with your division? You pretty good?
What's my...
You know your multiplication facts?
Yes.
Then you know
Okay.
your division facts.
We can get through this then. We can get through this. Okay, so your problem is 636 divided by 6, correct?
Yes.
So the first question we ask is, can we share 600s with 6 groups?
Huh?
Did you say yes?
I said, what did you say?
Oh, okay.
You said, huh?
I said I have 600s here. Can I share those 600s with 6 groups?
Yes.
Yes, I can. If I share out those 600s, how much will each group get?
Can you say it again? I didn't quite hear you.
If I have 600s and I share them with 6 groups, how many of the hundreds will each group get?
6.
Well, they won't get 6. They'll only get 1, right?
Yes.
And then I'll have shared all 6 of them, correct?
Yes.
So now I have 3 10s. Can I share 3 10s with 6 groups?
You said 3 10s?
Yes.
Yes.
If I have
What do you need? Color?
3 things, can I share these 3 things with 6 people? Do I have enough for 6?
No.
No, I don't. So what happens is, that's a 0 that goes right there. You follow me? You understand, Malik?
Yes.
Okay, so now when I bring those 6 1s down, those 10s become 1. So now I have 36. Can you see the problem?
Yes.
Now I have 36 1s. Can I share 36 1s with 6 groups?
Huh?
Can I share 36 1s with 6 groups?
Yes.
Okay, 6 times what equals 36?
You said what?
6 times what equals 36? 6 times what number equals 36?
Basic facts.
Uh-oh, sounds like we have to study tonight.
6, 12.
6 times 3?
18. Keep going.
Come on, Malik, you have to study. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. And we'll have shared all of those out. Now, we're not done. We still need to check. And this is how you could have easily figured out. If you did 16 times 6, you'll see that that's going to give you 96. And that's not quite 636, is it? So that's wrong.
But can you see what the question was, what's the common mistake that the person made? And can you see where the common mistake is, Malik?
Yes.
What someone typically does is they'll see basic facts, 636 divided by 6, they'll say there's 6s, there's 1 6 and 6 and 6 6s and 36. And they'll put that 16 right up there when you need to make sure you do all the steps that Mr. Grubb just did with you, especially remembering to put that 0 in at this stage.
Very important.
Okay.
You follow?
Yes.
Now, when I actually solve my problem, my answer, 636, is the exact same thing.
All right, Malik?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. So we have your name written. It's in our apple. Here it goes. You are
Hungry,
the
hungry
first
apple.
person. So you're in
Yeah.
the apple. Excellent
Go
job.
Malik. Go
And I don't
Malik.
assume you had time to do our challenge yet because you're our first caller. Did you have time to look at those numbers? Not really yet, okay? So you should have copied them down, work on the problems, and give us a call back. We love to hear back from you, okay?
Okay.
We're going to go to our next caller.
Next.
And is that Sarah? Hi, Sarah.
Yes.
This is Count on Us. Tell us what school you go to and what grade you're in.
I go to Cherry Lane Elementary. I am in 5th grade.
5th grade. All right. And what kind of problems are you working on that we can help you with, Sarah?
I'm converting metrics.
Converting metrics within metrics or with the English standard system?
With the units of length.
Okay, so tell us what we're converting.
Converting 1,120 million.
1 million.
120 million.
120 million.
Uh-huh.
Okay, 120 million what?
I want to know how much millimeters fit in a kilometer. A kilometer.
Okay, and what is this number representing? The millimeters?
Yeah, millimeters. Yeah.
Okay.
And I need to know what is the kilometer, and I don't know how much millimeters fit a kilometer.
All right. So do you have the idea of what do you know that ladder? Have you seen the step ladder for conversions?
My teacher today, she did like something a chart, like first goes in millimeters, then centimeters, then.
Exactly. That's what we call a ladder. And as we go up the ladder, our numbers start getting. Which is the tiniest?
Millimeter?
Millimeters, exactly. So millimeters are the tiniest, and then we do our centimeters, then we do our decameters, then we do
our meters,
and
then we do our decameters,
decimeters,
and then we do our hectometers.
All right, and I'm running out of my ladder space, but keep going.
And then we do our kilometers.
Yes. So you have that, exactly. Let me get here, and then we have our kilometers up here. And each time, what's nice about metrics is really all we're doing is moving a decimal point. And if we take it from the smallest, our decimal point in this number is at the end, right?
Yeah.
So let me put it back up here, because I cut part of it off when I built my ladder. And I dropped my eraser, so let me come over here on the floor. All right, so our decimal point is here, right? So how many steps is it from here, the kilometers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to get to the millimeters, right?
Yeah.
So let's move our decimal point 6 times.
Okay.
So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we now will put our new decimal point right there. And what number does this represent? If we had just those 3 digits.
A 1.
But what is this number right here? Is your TV on? Can you see this number?
It's 6.
Sarah, right here, these 3 numbers, 120. So what we did was we moved the decimal point from these millimeters, and we moved it over 6 places to get us to the kilometers, and 120 million millimeters equals the same as 120 kilometers.
120
kilometers or kilometers, okay, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Some say tomato, some say tomato. You know, we say it different ways. But kilometers or kilometers. But again, the key is if you have this, you knew millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. Once you know these, then you're just counting how many places you're moving it to convert it from one place to another. Okay, so you're just counting. And if you needed to go from millimeters, from kilometers down, then you just move the decimal point the other way. So if we had 120 here, we just add zeros as we move this decimal point and convert it the other way. Always remembering that the millimeters are those really tiny little teeny lines on the ruler, 10 of those in 1 little centimeter. Yeah. And then they get bigger and bigger and bigger, and the kilometers are the ones we use when we talk about mileage and stuff. Okay?
Okay.
Excellent. You did a great job. Did we get her name? Sarah from Cherokee Lane, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're getting your name down. And did you have time to do a challenge?
No.
All right, we'll work on those. We'll put the numbers back up again in a little while, but you're in. So 2 of you are in, and we're going to move on and take some more calls. We appreciate you calling, Sarah.
Way to go, Sarah. Next. Is this Kendall? Hi, Kendall.
Kendall or Ashley?
Are we talking?
Kendall.
Kendall.
Okay.
Kendall, what school are you calling from?
Dodge Park Elementary.
Dodge
Hey.
Park. I used to teach at Dodge Park long time ago.
I teach at Dodge Park right now. Do you know me?
Do you know? Do you say that to a lot of people?
Yes.
Do you know
Do
me?
you know me?
All right, Kendall from Dodge Park.
Kendall, what's your problem?
Math problem, we mean.
It says that Trisha says if 5/7 of her pencils are yellow, then 2/7 are not yellow. Is she correct? Explain.
Oh. Well, you explain that to us.
Okay, you said how many of her pencils are yellow?
5/7.
Okay.
What grade were you in, Kendall?
Fifth.
Fifth. All right.
Okay, 5/7 of your pencils are yellow, and how many are not yellow?
Now she's already telling us.
You said 2?
2/7
Okay.
are not yellow.
Is she correct?
Is she correct? Are you confused about this problem?
Yes.
Okay, how many pencils are there altogether?
7.
7. So they told us how many of them are yellow.
5.
Okay, now 7 is the total amount of pencils, correct?
Correct.
So 5 of them are yellow. How many are not yellow?
2.
2. So is she correct?
Yes.
Yeah, she is. What were you unclear about?
I was unclear about is she correct or not because it wasn't really given a question before we
Okay.
explained.
Well, if you already know that 5 of them are yellow and there's a total of 7 more, she can only have how many more pencils?
2.
Are we worried about what color they are?
No.
No, we just want to make sure that they're not yellow. If she had 3 pencils, then that would be a problem, right?
Correct.
Why?
Because 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 8 is over 7.
There you
You
go.
got it.
You got it.
Sounds good, Kendall. I got your name written down, and you're going in our apple.
Thank you.
And did you have a chance to try a challenge yet? Or look at those scrambled up letters to see if any math term comes to mind?
Ooh,
Any math
that's a
term
big
comes to
one.
mind with these letters? It is a big one.
the Ryoib.
You just like
Pappy.
saying that.
Yes.
Laria with Pappy. All right, keep thinking on it, Kendall. We're going to move on and take some more callers. Hopefully some of the callers are working on our challenges because we like when you call in with those challenges. Remember, I'm slipping them back up here real quick. Remember, all 4 numbers, any of the computation signs, but you have to make it equal 24. That is your challenge. So keep working on those as we move to Ashley's on the line. Hi, Ashley.
Hi.
This is Count on Us. Tell us what school you go to, what grade you're in.
I go to Dodge Park.
Uh-oh.
All right, we need you to turn that TV down because we can hear echoes in the back. So talk to us through the telephone and just watch us on the TV.
I go to Dodge Park.
And you're in 5th grade.
Yes.
All right. I'm very droppy today.
Let me see.
All right. And tell us what problem we can help you with, Ashley. Working on fractions also?
Yes.
All right, so if you guys talk to each other and get enough of your friends to call, we can do all your homework in one fell swoop here. All right, so give us the problem, Ashley.
Alex has 7 dimes and 3 nickels. What fraction of the coins are dimes?
I like it. And something that, I don't have a cover for that, I just remembered. Something that Mr. Grubb referred to a few moments ago. He said, how many do you have altogether? Yep. So your question is what fraction of the coins, right?
Yes.
All right, what fraction? So we know we're going to have a fraction, numerator, denominator, and we know we're referring to the coins. So what kind of coins do you have? What kind of coins do you have?
Dimes and nickels.
Dimes and nickels. All together, how many coins do you have?
10.
10. So that we know will be our denominator. If 10 is our denominator, what is our fraction of dimes?
7.
7 out of
10.
10. So what's that fraction?
7/10
7/10 dimes. What's our fraction of nickels?
of nickels.
How many nickels?
3.
3 out of the total, which is how many?
10.
So our fraction of nickels is
3/10.
3/10. And I always like to do this for a quick check. How much is 7 plus 3?
10.
10. 10 over our tenths. And anytime we have the same numerator and denominator, we know we're referring to the whole, so we know we're accounting for everything. So on Kendall's problem, there were 5 pencils and 2 pencils, which gave us 7 sevenths. Here we have 10 tenths. So always do that check. And all our 5th graders, as you're working with fractions, you should be able to not only do the check for the total, but you should also be able to, if we give you the total, be able to figure out any of the missing add-ins in here. So missing pieces. So you should be able to figure out which one is missing. But right now you did a great job, Ashley, and we appreciate you calling. Count on us. Is there anything else we can help you with? Or you help us with?
Are you there, Ashley?
She should still be here. Did you get her name? Or shall I get her name?
Ashley, are you there? Did you
Yeah.
leave?
She's still here. Did you get a chance to do our challenge? I keep asking their students that. Have they done challenges? Did you get a chance to? No, not yet?
No.
All right. Keep thinking about it. But your name
Okay.
is going in, so stay tuned. Keep watching to see if you're one of our lucky winners at the end. Remember, callers, our number is 301-772.
0080.
Call us.
We're waiting. Next.
Get my wipe.
Devin,
Yes.
how are you?
Good.
What school are you calling from?
Cherokee Lane.
Cherokee Lane.
Wow, there's a
Uh-oh,
competition going on. Dodge Park
Cherokee
versus
Lane and
Cherokee
Dodge Park.
Lane.
All
Duke it
right.
out for who calls the most.
All righty. What is your question?
I have a division problem.
Ooh, division. Bring it on.
8 divided by 92.
You mean 92,
92 divided by 8.
by 8? Okay.
What grade are you, Devin?
What grade are you in, Devin?
4th.
4th grade? Okay. Now, how good are you with your 8 times tables?
I'm good.
Ooh, okay. I like that
Good.
answer. Okay, so if I have 9 tens, can I share 9 tens with 8 groups?
Yes.
Okay, that sounds like a question. You said yes?
Yes.
Yes, you can. If I share 9 tens with 8 groups, how many tens will each group get?
1.
There you go. And if I share them all out, how many groups or how many tens will I share?
1.
Doop. All together.
Can you repeat the question?
If I give out all of my tens, how many tens will I give out altogether?
1.
I'll give 1 to each group, but how many tens have I given out?
So what's 1
8.
times the... There you go.
8. And then how many are left over that I could not share?
1.
1. Now I have 1 10 and 2 1s. But I can change these 10s to 1s as well. So I have 12 1s now. Can I share 12 1s with 8 groups?
Yes.
Okay. If I share out 12 1s with 8 groups, how many will I share altogether? Each group will get how many?
4.
No. If I have 8 groups, I have 12 1s, and I put 1 in each group. One for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. I will give how many to each group?
1.
1. And I will have shared how many?
8.
8. And after I share out those 8, how many will I have left over that I cannot share?
4.
There you go. You understand my questions?
Yes.
Okay. So my answer is 11,
Remainder 4.
remainder 4. Do you know how to check it?
You multiply.
Multiply what?
You multiply 8 times 11.
Okay. And what is that?
88.
Okay. But I don't have 92 yet, so what else do I have to do?
You have to add 4 to the
There
remainder.
you go. There you go. What's 8 plus 4?
92.
Good. I said 8 plus 4.
Oh, 12.
There you go. What do I do with that 1 in the 12?
You carry it to the 8.
That's the tens place.
The tens place.
Good. So now I have 80 plus 10.
Equals.
Don't think too fast. 80 plus 10.
Equals.
You know 8 plus 1 is
9.
9, but I'm saying it according to its place value. So
Oh,
80.
90.
There you go. You get that?
Yes.
All right.
Well, thanks for calling, Devin. We have your name written down, and you are now in our Apple, along with our other callers.
Could I try a challenge?
Yes.
a challenge
That's
trier.
what we were
We like
waiting
it.
for. Which one you want? You want that big word to unscramble?
No.
No.
Okay.
So which letter would you like then for our challenge 24?
Card A.
Card A. Oh, you're taking the easy route here.
man.
Card A. You got 4 6s. What are you going to do with them?
6 plus 6 equals 12.
Uh-huh.
12 plus 6 equals 18.
Uh-huh.
And 18 plus 6 equals 24.
That, my friend, is the easiest card in the
whole
game.
game, but you solved it. So we ring the bell when you solve it. So you did get your name put in a second time for solving that challenge. But nobody else gets to solve that one unless you have a different way. You don't get to add up all 4 6s and tell us that it equals 24. That is definitely an easy one. Hopefully, Devin and other callers, you're working on the other cards as well.
Okay.
All right, thanks for calling, Devin, and you will have your name in there 2 times, so your probability has just now doubled compared to everyone else.
Nice, nice.
All right, we're going to the next caller. Hi, this is Count on Us. Who do we have there? Hi, who's on the line?
Yoo-hoo! Anyone there?
Hi,
Hi, who is this?
Michaela.
Michaela?
Yes,
Hi, Michaela. What school do you go to?
Dodge Park.
Dodge Park. Dodge Park just took the lead, 3-2. Dodge Park, great. What grade are you in, Michaela?
Yes,
5th grade. You working on fractions?
yes, but I have a problem out of my math book.
Problem from your math book on fractions. So this will be the 3 out of, how many problems did you get for homework? 10? 3 out of 10. Here we
I
go.
gave like 50.
All right, come on, Michaela. Tell us what the problem is.
It's not dealing with fractions.
Oh, that's okay. That's even better because we already helped with fractions. So hopefully people learn from each other and what we did with the other problems, and now we can help with something else.
Matt's family is thinking about buying a family pass to the city pool.
City pool.
The
Got
pass
it.
is $80 for a family of 4. Individual passes are $25 each. How much money can Matt's family save by purchasing a family pass instead of 4 individual passes?
I love this question because it is so apropos. It is so realistic in real life because this is exactly how companies do things. So let's see. At $25 each, if they bought one for each member of the family, and you said there were 4 family members, how much would that cost?
100
100 what?
dollars.
Exactly, because we could say 25 plus 25 is 50, plus 25, or 4 times 25. We could think of 25 as quarters, and we know 4 quarters is $1. 4 25s is $100. So it would cost them $100 at, well, we really don't need those, $100 at $25 each. But the family 4-pack is only $80. So right away we know this is a better deal, but we want to know how much of a better deal. So what's the difference? And that should be a key word to you. What's the difference between 100 and 80? How do we find the difference?
$20. 80 minus 100 minus 80.
You got it. The difference tells us to subtract, or you could count up. But 100 minus 80 is 20. We know we're referring to dollars. So there's a savings of $20 that you can use for hot dogs or popcorn or anything else at that pool. Or a nice dinner out maybe, or start, not really a nice dinner, a fast food dinner maybe for $20. But exactly how you did it. It was a 2-step problem, figuring out the family 4-pack compared to how much it would cost for each, and it's definitely a better savings. Got it?
Yes.
Excellent job. How about a challenge?
Can I look at the 24?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can look at it, copy down some numbers, and you can give us a call back. We already had this one solved, the 6s, but all the others have multiple solutions. So with multiple solutions, we're going to reread all the numbers to you, and then we're going to take a break. So we'll give you time to copy them down as we get ready for our break. So card B
is 7, 4, 4, 2. Card C is 5, 9, 4, 8. Card D is 3, 3, 3, 5.
All right, so we're going to get ready to take a break right now, give you a chance to look over that homework, have some homework problems ready for us, have some challenges solved and ready for us to get your name in the apple. We have some PSA commercials coming on as well as our email corner, so watch it, stay tuned, and we'll be back in a few.
Hello, my name is Jessica and I attend James Ryder Randall Elementary School. I am in the 5th grade. Today, the math problem is, during some months, Earth revolves around the sun in 30 days. How many seconds is this? Well, there's 24 hours in one day. So in order to find the hours in 30 days, I must multiply 30 times 24, which equals 720 hours. In order to find out how many minutes are in 720 hours, I have to multiply 720 times 60 because 60 minutes equal 1 hour. And that equals 43,200 minutes. Next, in order to find out how many seconds are in 43,200 minutes, I must multiply 43,200 times 60, because 60 seconds equal 1 minute. And that equals 2,592,000 seconds. So 30 days equal 2,592,000 seconds. Woo! That was a lot of seconds. I hope you found the solution to your problem easy to follow. This is Jessica from Counting Us. Bye. See you next time.
Version of Count on Us. Boy, that was a lot of words. We are glad to be back, glad to help you with your homework, and Mr. Grubb's going to go right to the lines and start taking some calls.
Call us up, 301-772-0080. Are you out there in TV land? Who's calling? Who's there?
Christina.
Hello.
Hi. Who are we talking with?
Christiana.
Hi, Christiana. What school are you calling from?
Cherokee Lane Elementary.
Oh, they're tied now.
Uh-oh.
There's a competition going on, 3-3.
Cherokee Lane Dodge Park slugging it out today. And what grade are you in?
4th.
4th. Okay. And what is your question today?
My question is, I want 82 divided by 6.
82 divided by what?
6.
82 divided by 6. Okie dokie. I have my 82. Can you see that?
That's a better mark.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay, so my first question is, if I have 8 tens, can I share 8 tens with 6 groups?
No.
I have 8 of something and I have 6 friends. Can I share those 8 things with 6 friends?
Oh, yes.
You sure can. How much will I give each friend?
You'll give each friend 1.
I sure will. I'll give each friend 1, and after I give each friend 1, how many will I have left that I cannot share?
2.
I sure will. Don't say it like a question. So now I have 2 tens that I can't share with my 6 friends. So now, if I break those tens up to ones, and I add those up with my other ones, I have 22 ones now. Can I share 22 ones with 6 people?
Yes.
Yes, I can. You know your 6 times tables?
Yes.
What's 6 times 3?
18.
Good. What's 6 times 4?
24.
So if I share out those 22, each person's going to get how many?
24.
Nah, 24. I only have 22. How many is each person going to get? What was 6 times 3?
18.
We want the number that's not going to go over. So I went the next one up to see if that would go over. What's 6 times 4?
24.
That's too much, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So I can only give out 3, and when I do that, I will have shared out 18. And how many will be left over? 22 minus 18. 22 minus 18.
4.
There you go. Now, do you know how to check your work?
Yes.
What do you have to do?
First, you have to add 18.
You have to add what?
You have to add 18 plus 4.
Why am I adding 18 plus 4?
Because it will give you 22.
No. What we have to do is take our answer in a division problem. You know what that's called?
A quotient.
Quotient. We have to take our quotient. We have to multiply the divisor and the quotient. What's 6 times 3?
18.
There you go. And what do I do with that 1 in the 18?
You put it in the tens place.
There you go, because that's a tens number, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 6 times 10 is
60.
plus 10.
70.
There you go. Now I have 78, but I need 82. What do I have to do now?
Then you have to subtract.
Whoa, I'm going from 78 to 82. What do I have to do?
You have to subtract 4.
What do I have to do with that 4?
Subtract
If I
it.
subtract 4 from 78, is that going to make the number bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
But I need the number to be what? I'm going from 78 to 82.
You need to do better. So you have to add.
There you go.
4.
I have to add that. Now what's 8 plus 4?
8 plus 4 is 12.
What do I do with the 1?
You put it in the tens place.
Very good. 70 plus 10?
Huh?
70 plus 10.
80.
Does this match this?
Yes.
Then we have done it correctly.
All right.
Whee!
Good
Way
job,
to go, Christiana.
Christiana, and we have your name written down. In the apple it goes. Keep watching as we take some more calls.
Can I answer the word question problem?
You think you figured it out, did you?
Yes.
There you go. It's up. What word do you think it is?
Probability.
Probability. Let's see if those letters match.
P.
Go ahead.
R.
All right.
O.
Yep.
B.
B.
A.
All right. We're getting there.
B.
It's looking good as we get closer.
I.
I wasn't sure when we started, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. I have an L, a T, and a Y left.
O.
Probabil.
L.
L.
E.
T. Y.
E.
Huh.
You had the second I.
Probability.
Probability.
Yeah, you have an I left. And then the T-Y.
ITY.
You got it.
you
Probability.
go.
Ring that bell. That was a good one. Because Mr. Grubb wasn't sure about that. He kept calling it Lariah
Patby.
So we're going to put your name in a second time for figuring that challenge out for us. Thank you, Christiana. And we're going to move on to our next caller, who happens to be Lauren. Hi, Lauren.
That was wrong from the last time.
So too. All right, Lauren. This is Count on Us. Is this Lauren?
Yes.
Hi, Lauren. And do you go to Dodge Park?
Nope, she's not mine.
Oh, she's not yours. I saw a word problem up there. What school do you go to, Lauren?
Cherokee Lane.
Oh, Cherokee Lane takes the lead, 4-3. And Lauren, what grade are you in? What grade are you in at Cherokee Lane?
First grade.
What grade?
First.
First grade.
First grader.
You're our first grade caller tonight. We like when first graders call. What can we help you with?
A math problem.
Yes, we will help you with a math problem.
We can do that for
Tell
you.
us what the numbers are. Tell us what the math problem is, Lauren.
Kenya has 15 apples.
15 apples.
She shared 8.
She shared 8 of them?
She shared 8 apples with her friend Kevin.
Okay.
Wow, that was nice.
That was very nice of her.
How many apples does Kenya have left?
All right, well, let's figure this out. And I'm drawing these apples up here, and you might say they look like cherries or they look like something else. But I always tell my students, you know what? We're not artists. We're mathematicians. So as long as we get the concept up there. So I'm going to draw 15 little round things with little stemmy things sticking out. So here's 15 of them. How do we know it's 15? You know how many are in the first row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know how to skip count and count by fives, Lauren?
Yes.
Count by fives. If there's 5 in this row, how much is 5 and 5 more? Count by fives for me. 5, 10, 15. So there's the 15 of them. 5, 10, 15 apples. And now Kevin's going to get 8 of these, right?
Yes.
So let's count off. If we number them all, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and there's 15. I'm going to take a red color now, and let's count off the first 8, okay? So count for me.
1,
Keep going.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, and we're going to stop there because those are Kevin's. So now let's count what's left, okay? Because whatever's left still belongs to the young lady who started with the apples. So here we go. How many's here? Let's count these. 1.
5, 9.
No, just count. Don't worry about the numbers inside them. Just start from 1, okay? We want to see how many are left right now. So 1.
1, 2.
Keep going.
3, 4, 5, 6,
And the last one is
7.
7. So the young lady, what was the girl's name who has started with the 15 apples?
Kenya.
Kenya. Kenya gave 8 apples away to Kevin, and she kept 7 for herself. And if we did that like a math problem, like you might be starting to learn now, you'd say 15 take away 8 is 7. And that's what it looks like with numbers, and that's what it looks like as a picture. Okay?
Yes.
You did a beautiful job with that, Lauren. Your counting is terrific. We are very proud of you.
In the apple you go.
In the apple you go. All right. Well, I think we're going to move on.
All right.
Who's next?
Hi, Magali.
Hi.
How are
That's
you?
a deep voice.
Fine.
What is your problem today?
My problem
Oh, wait a minute. What school are you calling from?
Oh.
Dodge Park.
Oh,
We knew that as soon as you got
tie.
excited.
Tie.
4-4. 4-4. We'll see who ends up the top of the ladder. Maybe some other schools will get in the mix here. But right now it's 4 for Dodge Park and 4 for Cherokee Lane. All right.
Okay, now what is your question?
My problem is which is the value of x if x 9 equals 1?
Say that again.
Which is the value of x if x equals 1?
Okay, so what's the problem?
Is a fraction.
Okay, tell me what the fraction is.
No, read it again. You read it differently the second time than you did the first time. Read it one more time.
Which is the value of x if x equals 1?
Oh, you said something about X9 before.
Okay, but there has to be a problem there that we have to put 1 into.
It's x 9.
X
9.
ninths?
Yes.
Like that?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And x equals 1.
Okay, so here we're just replacing the x with the 1. So if x is equal to 1, then that becomes 1 over 9th. How do you read that fraction?
1/9.
1/9. That's all you're doing is substituting in the number for the letter.
Oh.
You get it?
Yes.
Okay. What were you confused about?
Was I supposed to multiply 9 by 1?
Oh, okay. No, because it's a fraction. So they want to know what the numerator is and what the whole fraction is once you substitute the letter with the number.
Okay.
All right. Excellent job then. And we're going to move on. Mr. Grubb wrote your name. We're just going to fold them all in fourths to keep it consistent.
Okay.
And I think we have Sine, is it? Hi, this is Count on Us. Who do we have there?
Sine, is it? Hi, this is
Oh, you definitely have to turn the
Turn the
TV
TV
volume all the way down.
Definitely have to turn the TV volume.
All the way. We still hear it. That's better. All right, this is Count on Us. Who do we have there? Say it again. Hi, this is Count on Us. What's your name? Hi, what's your name?
Right there. Turn the television
Okay, yeah, we're still
way
hearing
off.
the television.
You're talking to us on the phone.
All right. TV volume down. Talk to us on the telephone. TV volume down. No, we're still hearing it.
Turn the television
The rest of all our callers, make sure your TV volume is all the way down when you get on the line. And we might have to move on if we can't get this going right. Hi, this is Count on Us.
Turn the television all the way down.
All right, let's take our next caller and see if that caller can work it out. Hi, this is Count on Us. Hi, who's this?
Jada.
Jada. Hi, Jada. Tell us what school you go to and what grade you're in.
Dodge Park.
Dodge Park. Dodge Park takes the lead with 5 right now. Yeah. All right, we still have time. I'm not from Cherokee Lane. I have no vested interest either way.
Let me calm it down.
Dodge Park. All right. And what grade are you in, Jada?
3rd.
3rd grade? Did you say 3rd?
Jada.
And Jada's gone. Jada?
Yes.
What grade are you in?
3rd.
3rd grade. All right.
I know Jada.
Tell us what your problem is and how we can help you.
My problem is 16 halves feet times 4.5 feet.
So it's an area problem? You're trying to figure out the area?
It's the
Perimeter? Do you want the perimeter or the area? Because you said times. So you have a rectangle because you had 2 lengths that you gave us, and they were different, so I'm going to go with the rectangle. Tell us what the long side was. The bigger number?
16.5.
16.5 feet.
Yes.
And the shorter side? What was the second number? 4?
4.5 feet.
4.5 feet.
Jada, was this homework or are you challenging yourself?
Challenging.
Yeah.
All right. And you
something like
wanted, so you said you wanted to find the perimeter of this or the area?
Perimeter.
All right. Perimeter is the rim around. So if we want to put up a fence around your house, we need to measure this side, this side, this side, and this side, all 4 sides. Now, if it's a rectangle, if this side is 4.5, what is this side? If this side is 4.5, how long is this side?
4.5.
4.5, because opposite sides are equal in rectangles. So that's 4.5, and let's continue to label it with feet. If this is 16.5 feet, what's the one above it? The opposite?
16.5.
16.5. To find the perimeter, we know what we do is add up all the sides, or we can multiply 2 times each one of them and then add them up. But let's do, how much is 4.5 and 4.5? First of all, let's do the 2 halves. How much is a half and a half?
1.
1 whole. So we know we have 1 whole here, and then we have 4 plus 4. How much is 4 plus 4?
8.
8. We're going to kind of just put a workspace over here. So here we have another half and another half. How much is half and a half? 2 halves equal a whole. Yep, 1. And now we have 16 and 16. Can you do that mental math, or should we copy it down?
16 and 16.
16 plus 16, or 16 times 2?
32.
Excellent,
go.
32. It's good to challenge yourself with mental math. It's good for your mind. So now we're going to come over here and put the 32. We have 8 plus 2. How much is 8 plus 2? That's an easy one. Bridge to 10.
10.
Exactly, 10. And 32 plus 10 is?
42.
42. So the perimeter of this, what label are we going to put on this 42? This 42 represents what?
The perimeter.
The perimeter, but in what measurement? What label? What unit?
Feet.
Feet, exactly. Always want to relabel things so you know. So you got 42 feet if you're buying fence or gate or parts of the fence. You got 42 feet perimeter around that you need to make sure you cover, okay? Excellent job there, Jada. And let me jot your name. Is this Jada?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
All right, Jada, so we're going to put your name in fourths. Half and half makes fourths in the apple. And it's not much longer. We got a couple more callers, so stay tuned and see if you're a winner of one of our prizes. And ready for our next call?
Sure. Next. Who are you out there in TV land?
My name is Ariana.
Hi, Ariana.
Hi.
What school are you calling from?
Cherokee Lane.
Oh, tied up.
It is 5-5. Let's see what we get here. All right,
What grade are
Ariana.
you calling from? What grade are you in?
Third
Calling
grade.
from the third grade.
Third. Okay. All right. What can we do for you today?
It's a subtraction problem.
Subtraction. All right. Let's see if we can help you. What's the problem?
It says 578 minus 88.
578 minus 88. Ooh, there's a little borrowing going on in here. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. The first part is pretty easy. What side do we start with? The left side or the right side?
Right.
The ones or the 100s?
The ones.
There you go. So 8 minus 8 is how much?
0.
0.
Is that a sad 8? It has 2 eyes and a
It's
little
a sad 8.
face.
Aw, it's a sad 8. Okay, now we have 7 tens. Can we take 8 tens away from 7 tens?
No.
No. What do we have to do?
You have to go next door to the 5.
Have to go next door, but that's not a 5. That's what?
That's a 500.
500. So if I take 100 away from the 500, how many hundreds am I left with?
400.
400. Now I'm going to take that 100 and put it with the 7. So now that 100 that I borrowed is the same as 10 tens. And now I have 7 tens plus 10 tens. I have 17 tens now. You understand that?
Yes.
Now I have 17 tens and I'm going to take away 8 tens. How many tens am I left with?
9.
9. Boom. And I have 4 tens and nothing to take away from it. So, excuse me, I have 4 hundreds and I have nothing to take away from it. How many hundreds do I have left?
400.
Woo woo. What's that answer?
490.
No and, just 490. Do you know how to check it?
Yes.
How do you check it?
You have to add 88 plus 490.
Ooh, 490.
Oh, 490.
There you go. Have to do the exact opposite. What's 0 plus 8?
0 plus 8 is 8.
And what's 90 plus 80?
That's 7.
That's 170. So the 7 goes in the tens place and the 100 goes in the hundreds place. Now 400 plus 100?
500.
Ta-da! Does this look like this?
Yes.
Yes!
All right, Ariana, in the apple you go. We have another caller, and
I
then...
would like to solve a challenge.
Oh, yes, let's get one of those in. All right, which one would you like to do?
A.
No, we did A. You have another one ready?
B.
You have a different... What's your solution? Did you do something different than adding all 4 sixes?
Yeah, I did 8, but I added it a different way.
Tell me how you added it a different way.
I did 6 plus 6 is 12.
Right, that's what the other caller did. Because really, I think this one only has that one way. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but if someone can show me another way. But did you say you had a solution to B as well?
Yeah.
All right, let's hear B. 7244. All right, take us to 24 with those numbers.
17.
We have a 7, a 2, a 4, and a 4. All right, sounds like you're in a think mode, so we're going to move on to our next caller. We're going to get one more call in and see if it's a Dodge Park or a Cherokee Lane, because we are tied at 5-5 right now.
Okay.
So here we go. Cherokee Lane or Dodge, or maybe somewhere else. Let's see. Hi, this is Count on Us. Who do we have there?
Lacey.
Lacey. Hi, Lacey. Tell us what school you go to.
Dodge Park.
Dodge Park. Dodge Park. What grade are you in, Lacey?
Huh?
What grade are you in?
First.
First grade?
Yes.
All right. What problem can we help you with?
I have 11 birds, and I shoot. And I have to go to the. And I have to get a rid of 3 birds. How many birds? How many birds will say?
Okay, you have 11 birds. Is that what I'm hearing? Birds?
Hummingbirds.
Yes.
Hummingbirds. Oh, even better. All right, 11 hummingbirds, and you have to get rid of 3? You have to get rid of. So you're just going to kind of let them go and let them fly away? Getting rid of sounds like we're going to take them away, and take away means we do what?
Huh?
What operation? What are we doing if we're taking
Subtracting,
There you go.
right. So 11 minus 3. And even though we're subtracting, you actually can count up and add from 3 to 11 to see what the difference is, or take away 11 minus 3, or draw pictures. So I'm going to draw, that's my bird.
Oh,
1,
lovely.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put some little legs and a beak. Little legs and a beak. Oh, that's maybe just a neck and a beak. That looks like a head. But again, we are not artists. We are mathematicians. So here we go. Lacey, here's our 11. I'm going to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's quickly count these. Here we go. 1, counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. She got 8 birds left, and they're humming their way to the end of the show, because that's where we are right now, at the end of the show. So we're going to we want to get her name in. Make sure we get the last one. Lacey, shaking it up, holding it above your head, pull one out. And let's see who our winner is for today. We want to thank all our callers who called in to count on us. Remind you that we're still on, coming on the next hour, middle school, high school, pre-algebra. Who's the winner?
Ariana from Cherokee Lane.
Congratulations, Ariana. Thank you to all of our callers. Stay tuned for the next version of the intermediate version of Count on Us. And for Mr. Grubb and myself, remember, you can always
count on us.
Hi, this is Miss Shirey. Welcome to today's mini lesson. Today we're going to be comparing money amounts. Let's get right to today's problem. Today we're comparing money amounts. Our objective is students will be able to use a chart in order to compare money amounts. When you use a chart, it's really easy to see what is larger or what is smaller when you're talking about two amounts of money. Faith and Cheyenne are deciding if they can buy a new game for their Wii system. Their money is shown below. If the game costs $49.99, can each girl afford the game? Well, let's see. This is how much money Faith has. She has two $20 bills. If I add that up, two $20 bills is $40. She has one $5 bill, that's $5. 12 quarters, and 4 quarters is $1. So if I count that up, that would be $3. 9 dimes is 90 cents, and 3 pennies, of course, would just be 3 cents. If I line them all up on my chart and added them up, I come up with $49.93. Let's see how much money Cheyenne has. Cheyenne has 4 $10 bills. That's also $40. She has one $5 bill, which is $5. 19 quarters, 4 quarters and $1 again. For every 4 quarters it's $1, so I have $4.75 in quarters. 2 dimes, that's 20 cents. And 2 nickels, 5, 10, that's another 10 cents. If I line up my columns again and make sure my decimal point is right, this time I come up with $50.05. Well, guess what? All we need to do is compare them. So Faith's total was $49.93. And Cheyenne's total was $50.05. I can put my greater than and less than symbols in to show which one is greater or less than or equal to. $49.93 is less than $49.99. $50.05 is greater than $49.99. So guess what? Have fun, Cheyenne, but keep saving Faith. Well, that's our mini lesson for today. Now back to the show.
Hello? Hello? I've been on the street for a while. I saw your poster outside. I don't know what to do.
National Runaway Switchboard, how can I help? Call 1-800-RUNAWAY to make the connection.
Gaining weight was easy. All I had to do was sit down and eat. Losing weight's a lot harder. I have to work at it every day. But with every step, I lower my risk for type 2 diabetes and heart disease. And that makes every step, every choice, every day very much worth the effort.
Learn how you can help stop diabetes by losing weight, eating healthy, and staying active. Visit checkupamerica.org or call 1-800-DIABETES.
What's happening? It's your Royal Hypeness, Angie Angel, your Mike 93.9 WKYS is my radio station, 6 to 10 p.m. Check me out. And when I'm having problems with my math, I call in to count on us. I can always count on them.
Because how many ways are there to solve math?
Many! Your live homework help starts now. Welcome to Count on Us.
What is the length from the entrance to the giant wheel?
All right, so let's add 3 here and see what happens.
Measure first. I need you to double check yourself. So the second equation for solving perimeter is
2 times length plus 2 times width.
Hey, welcome back to Count on Us. This is the intermediate levels of our Math Smash show here. We're ready to have all your calls. I'm Ted Herman
and my name is Elzora Watkins, ready to answer any math questions that you have for us. We're looking for some really rigorous stuff out there. Okay, so hey, we have some challenges for today. Oh, no.
301 772 0080.
Yes, that's how they can call us.
Can they get us on the web too?
They can reach us online at pgcps.org. Okay.
Fantastic.
And television channels. What are those television channels?
Those television channels are 96 if it's on
Verizon
Fios, and 38 on Comcast.
Thank you. Can I do this one?
I wish you would. I love the way you show off our Challenge 24.
Okay. All right. Well, let's take a look at our 24 challenge. All right. If you look right down here, we have the 24 challenge of the day. If you start off with A, the numbers for A are 1, 2, 5, and 8. And then for B, we have 3, 5, 8, and 6. And then for C, we have 2, 3, 3, and 8. And then the extra juicy one, we have 2, 2, 5, and 8. Wow. Those are pretty tough.
I know we have a lot of great questions coming our way from all our fantastic, wonderful students in Prince George's County Public Schools. I'm just waiting to hear one of them.
Do we have any more puzzles?
Do we have a puzzle?
Did we do that one already?
I don't know, but I'd like to do it again. I never did it myself. Oh my goodness, let's look at that.
What does that? You're really good at pronouncing those.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well that's fine. We're not gonna do that one. We gotta hide that. Somebody left that hanging. So let's get this out of here. Let's put this. Oh, we gotta do some little mystery on TV stuff here. And there we go. We cover up the word, and that's how we work it. There you go. Let's show that, Mr. Dwayne, our great production man. Word scramble. Now, I have to tell all our callers out there, before you call in, you have to solve this by unscrambling the letters. But I already did it. So here's how you pronounce it. I messed up on the R. I apologize. My elocution skills, my actual pronunciation was a little bit off.
You're spitting all over me. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I know we're a team. I love to share with my people. Okay. Well, I won't do that again.
Don't share. Say it. Don't spray it.
Right. Thank you for that. Okay.
Newscast, not a weathercast.
Thank you for that embarrassment on live TV.
Yeah,
let's go to our first caller out there. I think I'm done with this word. I know I'm done with something.
I hope so.
Yeah, and I'm not going to aim in your direction.
Thank you.
It's wonderful. You wore a lovely, what is that, an Afghan?
Actually, you can call it that, but I just used it as a towel. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
First caller out there.
You take the first caller. How about that?
I would love to. I'm going to aim this direction right towards the TV screen.
Just don't pronounce that. Don't try and pronounce that word again.
That? There you go.
I'm okay as long as you don't pronounce that word.
I will not pronounce that word again.
Because that really.
I can see it upset you. Yeah, it was an upsetting word.
Yeah, it was.
Our first caller out there on TV land calling for an intermediate level is Kayla. Is that Kayla?
Yeah.
Hello, Kayla.
Hi.
Yeah.
What school you at, Kayla?
Kettering Middle.
Kettering Middle.
All right.
And that is a 6, 7, 8 or 7, 8?
That's,
I'm in 7th grade.
she's in the 7th grade. You see her? It says 7th grade above her head.
Oh, yeah.
A little halo. It says 7th grade.
Kayla, I love that picture behind you on the wall. It's beautiful. You're in your house right now, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
she's in her
beautiful. I
house.
can tell. I've never been there, but it's a lovely picture.
Yeah.
Well, what are you working today in 7th grade math?
Ratios.
Ratios. Is that like a fraction type thing?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Ratios. Well, what kind of ratio problem do you have?
Find the ratio of cats and dogs.
What does ratio mean? Like ratio, ratio. Help me to understand.
Let's understand what ratio is, first of all.
Yeah.
There's 15 cats and 12 dogs, so we got to find the ratio of that.
What do you mean by? I see the numbers. I mean, I hear the numbers, but what does ratio mean? Like ratio of cat to dogs. Like help me to understand the concept.
A ratio is a fraction. Ratio is a fraction with different units.
Okay, but that's still not telling me. Like, why do I need ratios? I mean, what? I'm trying to understand ratios. I mean, I know they're fractions, but I'm trying to understand what are ratios.
I got it. Where you're coming from?
And why do people use ratios?
Could it be?
Probably for a store.
Huh? Say that again.
Probably when they're shopping.
Okay, well, let's work out your problem, and then let's see if we can understand, like, what are ratios really? I mean, sometimes, we're told, here, do this and do this and do this. Here are the steps to solve a ratio, but
you know
what are ratios?
Kayla, what's the word ratio start with?
R.
Yeah, excellent. R. So watch what I do on the screen here. Now we go right to the letter C off that letter R, and I think what Miss Elzora is talking about is ratios compare. They compare two things. Okay? So you said that dogs to cats or cats to dogs?
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Thank you.
That makes sense, Professor. Thank you.
I'm keeping my words to myself now.
That's helping my brain.
What was the problem again there, Kayla? I got to hear you again.
There were 15 cats and 12 dogs.
15 cats?
15 cats.
And notice what Kayla said first. She said cats and then dogs later. So I'm going to put 15 on top compared to 12 dogs. Any other way we could write that? You ever seen this?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
And how do you say that?
15 12.
Well, almost. This would be 15 twelfths. This would be 15.
15 and 12.
Well, actually, it's a comparison of 15 to 12. 15 to 12. 15 cats to 12 dogs. Let's go back to the original problem. You want the ratio, and I hope your teachers over there at Kettering Middle have told you to do a special S word when you have fractions. Do you know the S word I'm thinking about?
I know it from the back of my head, but it's like...
Oh, it's in the back of your head. Do me a favor. Take your hand and just like gently nudge the back of your head forward a little bit and rattle around, and maybe it'll slide to the front of your mouth. No? No? Okay. How about this word? Can you say that? Simplify.
Oh, we were simplifying today, though. Really, though?
Were you?
Really?
I'm proud of you.
Really?
Way to go, Kayla. I love your enthusiasm for math.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when we simplify, we got to find...
Even though I got a D in math, but it's not my favorite subject, but yeah.
Well, you know, I wouldn't tell the whole national audience about this.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. You can tell them.
That's okay. You know what? At least, you know, you're owning it, and you're going to do better. I know it. I think you have the excitement and enthusiasm to do better. So let's look at 15 and 12. Kayla, I need your help. What number divides into 15 and 12? The same number.
Okay, I think it's 5. 5.
Well, 5 will go into 15.
Not 5.
Right,
Not 5. Good.
Right.
You're right. Not
but
5.
But smaller than 5. Try something smaller.
4.
Does 4 go into 12? Yeah, but not 15.
Has to go on both of them.
3.
Oh, bing! Give me that bell.
It's a 3.
Yes.
Kayla, you are making it come happen here. I'm telling you right now. So 15 divided by 3, Kayla, what's that, girl?
15 can go... 15 divided by 3 is 5.
Outstanding. And then 12 divided by the same 3.
4.
Oh my goodness. And that would be the simplified ratio for 15 twelfths.
And then I got one more. Is that okay?
Yeah, but how do you say this number real fast?
15.
I mean, this one.
I mean, 5 to 4.
5 to 4. Excellent. 5 to 4 ratio. I tell you, Kayla's picking it right up.
What does that mean? What does that mean? What does the numerator represent?
The numerator represents
Oh yeah, which
how
one?
many?
How many what?
Which
how
an-
many more?
How many what? Which
animal?
How many cats?
How many cats?
5 cats for every 4
dogs.
Oh my gosh, she is good.
Did you? But did you hear what Mr. Herman said? He said, for every 5 cats you have, you're going to have 4 dogs. And this is the same ratio as the 15 to the 12. This is saying for every 15 cats, you're going to have 12 dogs. And this is saying the same thing because these two have the same ratio. Okay, for instance, if I had 4 dogs, I have 5 cats, right?
Yeah.
If I had another set of 4 dogs, I'll have another pair of 4 dogs and 5 cats. So altogether, I'll have 8 dogs and 10 cats. If I had another set, guess what I'll have?
Another.
What's the total?
20.
No, look at this. I have 4.
9.
9. Look at the paper, sweetheart.
Okay.
The first set. If I say for every 5 cats, I have 4 dogs. This is my one set. This is set 1. If I got another set, let's say.
Oh, every 6 sets.
Yes, here's another set, and here's another set. So every time I get 5 cats, I'm going to get 4 dogs. Because that's the ratio that I'm going to keep getting it at. That's what it keeps increasing by each time. So the second time, I'll get 5 cats and 4 dogs. So altogether, I'll have 10 cats and 8 dogs. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Where's my
And then if I
director
do
out
this
there?
again, I have 5. Add 5 more cats. If I add 5 more cats, then how many more dogs must I add?
2.
No.
3.
It's the ratio you just told me. The ratio is 5-4, 5-4, 5-4. So if I add 5 more cats, I have to add 4 more dogs.
Oh, yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
So it's 8, huh?
Yeah. So altogether, I have 4, 4, 4. That's 12.
Yeah.
And 15. It's the same ratio. Okay, so this is what they mean by ratio. No matter what the ratio is, no matter what this number is, if I have these how many on top, I will always have these how many on the bottom. Okay? Okay.
Okay, can I just go a fast close-up? I got to tell Kayla one thing.
Okay.
Kayla?
Yeah.
We're talking about cats and dogs, right?
Huh?
We're talking about cats and dogs in this problem?
Yeah.
Well, you're my dog. You're my new dog. I think you're really trying your best, and I love what you're doing. Did you have one more problem real fast you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's try to solve that one, too.
It's not ratios.
That's okay.
It's right the decimal as a fraction or mixed number in simplest.
Oh, I love that. Let's try that one, too. Just for you.
0.22, and here are the choices. 11/50th.
I'm sorry, do that again. 11/50th?
These are choices. Then negative 11/50th.
Negative 11/50th?
It's two. It's A, B, C, or D.
Okay. What's A?
11/50th.
Okay.
B is negative 11/50th.
Negative 11/50th.
C is 4 and 6/11.
6, what?
4 and 6/11.
Say it again.
Number C is 4 and 6/11.
4 and 6/11s. Okay, anything else?
And then D is 11 over 500.
11 500ths. And what are you trying to find out?
Write the decimal as a fraction or mixed number in simplest form, and the number is 0.22. So I gotta make 0.22 a fraction or mixed number.
Right, it's going to match one of these 4 other A, B, C, D's, right?
Yeah.
So this is our problem right here. Well, how do you say this? 22 with a decimal.
2200.
I love it. Nice job, Kayla. You can do great things. Now, we're going to simplify this by dividing by 2 on both top and bottom. Okay? And we're going to go a little faster. We have about 5 more calls waiting on you. So what's 22 divided by 2, girl?
22 divided by 2 is 11.
Outstanding. And 100 divided by 2?
50.
And which one? A. There you go. You got it. You want to try the challenge real fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
One quick question, sweetheart. When you did this, you could realize that there are 2 of them that you could automatically eliminate. By this being a positive number, I knew that this one could not be the answer.
Well, I could probably eliminate B and C.
Yeah, especially C, because look, this is not even a whole number. You see that?
Yeah.
This is not a whole number. As soon as you see a whole number right here, you know that this can't be an answer. So I would have eliminated B and C immediately, and then I would have focused on these 2. Okay? So eliminate the ones that don't make sense.
Process
that
elimination.
Doesn't make sense, okay?
Process elimination. Okay, we're going to try the challenge. You have the challenge there?
Yeah, I think you have
secondary?
it. I think no, I haven't.
Yeah.
I knew I had it.
Uh-huh.
I was just checking to see if you knew that I knew, you know?
Well, I don't know what you're talking about, but I think
Okay.
And you want to take care?
Sure,
You're so good at this.
Which one you want? A, B, C, or D?
Oh, I want to do
A. A for apple.
Yeah.
Okay. For awesome.
1, 8, 5, and 2.
Okay.
Amazing.
2. Yeah.
1, 8, 5, and 2. Go ahead. Help me out.
8 plus 2 is 10, right?
Yes. 8.
5
plus 2 is 10. Okay.
And then 5 plus is 1, right?
Yep. 5.
5 plus 1.
Plus 1 is 6.
Oh, 6. That's 16.
Yeah.
Oh, you can multiply that 8 times 2. All right.
Well,
Call
maybe
us back.
call back.
Call us back on that
and
one.
try some more, but we'll
That
get her
was a
name in
tough
here.
one. That
Can you
is
get
a
her
tough
name in
one.
there one time?
We can.
for the
We can.
apple?
Oh, I know the answer now.
Well, that's okay. Well, it's not about you right now.
It's
Can you
not
get
about-
the,
it's not about me?
Can you get the name on the
Sheesh,
Kayla?
you just
I'll put
mad
her name
'cause
on there, and you get the next caller.
You just mad because you were just spitting all over me.
No,
earlier.
I stopped that. Don't bring it up again. I wish you get past that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Can I speak to the next caller? It looks like it's. Speak to the next caller. It looks like it's. Tonight?
You got to turn
You're
that
going to have to
TV
turn down your television because I'm hearing an echo. Sounds like you have 2 televisions on. So could you turn them both down? Say your name for me again, please.
Hello?
Tell me your name.
Sanat.
Sanat. Hi, Sanat. How are you?
Good.
What school are you what school do you attend?
Dodge Park.
Dodge Park Elementary School, and you're doing algebra? Woo! What kind of algebraic problem do you have for us today?
Math.
What kind of algebraic problem do you have for us today?
What basic word problem?
You have a math problem you want us to help you with?
Yes.
Okay, could you share with us the math problem?
Yes.
Okay, what's your math problem?
2x plus 5 equals to 32.
2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is equal to 32. So you're solving an equation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So you're trying to find out 2 times what plus 5 is going to equal 32. So let's undo this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we have to do the opposite. We're going to have to undo this. You have an idea what I need to do first?
Yes.
What should I do first?
Subtract 5.
I should do what?
Subtract 5.
Subtract 5 from where? From here and then where else?
From 32.
Exactly. Okay, so 5 minus 5 is going to give me 0. I'm going to bring down my 2x. 2x is equal to 32 take away 5. What's 32 take away 5?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like that's going to be a 27. 27? Okay, now what do I do? Remember what you did here, you undid it. So that was telling me to add, and I subtracted. How would I undo this right here? What is this telling me to do?
Multiply.
Yeah, so let's undo multiplying. How do you undo multiplying? What's the opposite of multiplying? Or what's the inverse of multiplying? What's the opposite of multiply?
Division.
Yeah, so I'm going to have to divide. Okay, so I'm going to divide this by 2. Because if this says multiply, I have to do the opposite. I have to undo it. I have to divide. I have to work backwards. So that will cancel, and I'm left with x is equal to 27 divided by 2 gives me, I think, 13 and 5/10.
Mm-hmm.
And there's my answer. How would I check that?
By multiplying 10. By multiplying 2x plus 5.
What do you mean by multiplying? Are you saying that I'm going to take this number right here and substitute it into here and then multiply it?
Multiply 13.5 to 2x.
Yeah, so 2 times 13.5, and then I'm going to add 5, and I should get 32.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's quickly write that real quick just to make sure. So we have 2 times 13 and 5/10 plus 5. That should give me 32. So let me see. 13.5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. And 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. I have one number behind my decimal point, so I put one number behind, move my decimal point over once. So 27 plus 5 should give me 32. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Yes, it gives me 32. Okay?
Okay.
All right, you want to try a challenge?
Can I do the word?
The word?
Oh, where's
okay,
the word?
Sure. Here's the word. Here's the word.
Oh, there it is.
There's the word.
I like doing the word if you
like
don't mind.
How about if you do the word? Because you're really good at doing the word.
Well, you're so good at doing count 24. I'll try the word.
Okay, just don't repeat that again. That one right there.
What?
No. Yeah.
Do you want to say it like that, or you want to change it around?
That's okay.
Okay.
I want her to change it, please.
Okay, go ahead, Sanat.
Ooh.
5 seconds. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with math.
What do you think that word is saying? I tell you what, why don't you write down all those letters and then call us back when you think you have the word.
There you go.
Now hold on, give her a chance to write down those letters. Huh?
Circumference.
Yes! Yay! I think she's right. She's right. Woohoo!
What did she say? Say it again. I don't know if
I think she said it.
Circumference.
Oh my goodness!
Yay!
Circumference.
Oh, let's check. Let's check.
Yeah. Pull that out. Pull that out. Okay.
We want you to
give me the first 3 letters, Sanat.
Spell it.
C-I-R.
C-I-R. Next 3.
C-U-M.
Whoa, yes. F.
S-E-R.
E?
E-N-C-E.
Oh, yes, indeedy. That's my sweetie. Let's pull it out and see if it matches up. There we go. Oh, look at that.
Yay!
Circumference.
Circumference.
There you go. Circumference. And you know what? It's that time with
I
the
think it's
clock
that time.
that says let's go to a little mini break lesson.
Yeah.
And stay tuned
Yeah.
for more Count on Us when we come back from break.
When we come back from break.
Hi, my name is Camilla, and I attend Mount Rainier Elementary. I am here with the Email Corner question of the day. The question is, write in expanded and word form the number 308,237. Expanded form looks like this: 300,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 7. 300,000 comes from the 3 in the 100,000s place. Since there are no 10,000s, we go straight to the 8,000, which comes from the thousands place. The 200 comes from the hundreds place, the 30 comes from the tens place, and the 7 comes from the ones place. Word form looks like this: 308,237. That's it for our Email Corner question of the day. Back to the show.
Have diabetes? Join the movement to stop diabetes as a Red Strider at the American Diabetes Association's Step Out Walk to Fight Diabetes. Join hundreds of walkers who share your passion and showcase the courage it takes to live and thrive with diabetes. Gather your friends, family, and coworkers to walk with you and raise funds to help change the future of diabetes. Sign up today at diabetes.org/RedStrider. Together, we can stop diabetes, one step at a time.
Because play might be the best way to fight obesity.
Because staying connected makes my family stronger.
Because a safe place after school can lead to success in school.
Because physical activity is vital to my health and well-being.
Because I need to make my world better.
Because playing team sports teaches character and social skills.
Because we need each other.
Because we need each other.
Because we need each other.
Welcome back. We're still here, and we're hoping you're still there because we're counting on us your answer to all your math questions you ever had.
Absolutely.
I'm Ted Herman, and what's your name again?
I think it's Elzora. It's still Elzora.
Still Elzora.
Elzora Watkins.
Oh, my goodness.
And where can they reach us? They can reach us. You guys can reach us at 301-772-0080.
There you go.
Okay, we got some calls.
And our first call is going out to Jala. How do you say your name?
Yeah, I think so.
Jayla.
Jayla. Hey, what a pretty name. What school you at, Jayla?
Rosaryville.
Rosaryville.
Oh, that's down Route 3 someplace, I think.
I think so.
Off of Route 3.
Mm-hmm.
How about that? Well, what grade are you in?
6.
6? Let's hear a good 6th grade question, Jayla.
Well, number 35, it says...
Number 35.
It says 83 10,000s, and I have to put it in standard form, in decimal.
Oh, whoa, I'm glad you're doing that one.
Whoa. 83 over 10,000, like a fraction?
No, 83 10,000.
I know, but is it written like a fraction or decimal?
Decimal.
And how are you supposed to put it together after you finish?
In standard form?
In standard form.
Standard form.
I'm glad you have that one.
Okay, well, if you don't mind, I'm going to show you a couple things here. 83 10,000s. This may not be what you want to see yet, but I'm going to get there for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Can you say it yourself now?
83 10,000.
Outstanding. Now, we're going to take the 83 10,000 and write it as a decimal.
No, I hate to stop because I'm not being, seriously, I'm not being funny. I'm like because I'm so used to middle school and high school. What do they mean by standard form?
That to me is just regular standard form numbers. Right? You always see numbers at.
Like standard form, I don't. I'm
Let
trying
me
to
show it, and it'll make more sense to be talking about
Okay.
it. Okay. So the first group, right? The first one to the right of decimal place is what? Do you know what that is? If I put a 0 there, what place is that in?
That's the hundredth place.
Not yet. Tenths.
Oh, it's 10.
Now this is the what?
The hundredth place.
Good job, Jayla. Now we want to go to the 10,000th place. We got a ways to go. Tenths, hundredths, thousands. Fantastic. All right. Now, if that's tenths, hundredths, thousands, then maybe I can put an 8 up there and put the 3, because what comes after thousands? Tens,
10,000.
10,000s. And I hope you know, Jayla, the way you say the last number in the group to the right of the decimal point, that's how you say the whole number. 10,000. So can you pronounce that whole thing?
10,000.
I know, but the whole number.
83 10,000.
I love it. That is so perfect. I cannot stand it.
So that's standard form?
That's standard form. This is called standard form. Is that what you're looking for, I hope?
Yes.
Oh, bless your heart. You made my day better.
Thank you.
You're wonderful. Do you want to try any challenge?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's Miss Elzora's department, because she was trained 15 years how to do the challenge problems, so she could present it so beautifully on TV. And it's just incredible. Watch her go into action. I love watching Miss Elzora.
What? Stand back. Stand back. Stand back.
Beautiful. This is beautiful.
Bam.
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 Jayla. Get her name in the...
Bam. Bam.
Okay.
Bam.
Okay.
Sound like that guy who cooks. Because I'm cooking.
Oh, right.
Okay, let me get back to
I smell
Jayla.
something burning.
Which one you want? A, B, C, or D?
Nobody solved any of them.
A for awesome.
Yes.
All right, because D is the dangerously tough one. A for amazing. Jayla doing the awesome one. 1. I bet you got the one I'm thinking about. 2, 5, and 8. Okay, work it out. Work it out. Work it out. What you got? What you got?
I have 1 times 2.
1 times 2. Okay, I like that one. 1 times 2. I'm feeling that one. I can do that.
And
yes.
2 times 5.
2 times 5. And that's going to give me 10.
And then 10 times 8.
10 times 8? 10 times 8 is too big. Too big.
That's a little too big for 24. Try
Do
to
me a
get
favor,
24.
write down those numbers and play with them and then call me back, okay?
Her name goes in there one time. You got
You're
her name
welcome,
in there.
Jayla.
Nice job, Jayla. And I think the next caller is to you.
Okay, I got Ashley. Ashley!
Hi.
There she is. Hi, Ashley. How are you?
Oh, hi, Ashley.
Good.
How you
Good.
doing?
What school do you attend?
Charles Carroll.
Charles Carroll. Ooh, Charles Carroll Middle
That's a
School.
middle school, yeah.
Oh, she trying to hurt my brain for real. Okay, I'm sorry. Ashley, what do you have? Diagram for me?
Yes.
Oh, goodness gracious. Diagram of what?
A triangle.
Diagram of a triangle. So help me out. What do I need to do with this diagram of a triangle?
On one side, it says, on the left side, it says 963 feet 2 times.
Okay, I'm going to draw it. Let me have you look down here and you tell me if I'm doing this right. Okay, so I have what kind of triangle, first of all? Is it a isosceles, a right triangle?
Isosceles.
A isosceles triangle, okay? So make sure I'm doing it right. What is an isosceles triangle? What is it?
It's a triangle that has 2 equal sides.
Okay, good, cool. So that means I'm going to say this side is congruent to this side. Would that work?
Whoa.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice
so
job.
what is the measurement? You said one of the sides is what?
The left side says 963 feet.
163 feet or 163 feet?
963 feet.
963 feet.
Whoa.
Okay, so if that's 963 feet, I know that this one has to be 963 feet, right?
No, it's on the bottom.
Oh, 963 feet is down here?
No, like on the same side where you put 963 feet.
Okay, so 963 goes here?
Yes.
And then what else?
And on the right side.
Right here?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
On the right side, it says 2,640 feet.
2,000?
640 feet.
2,000?
I thought it was an isosceles triangle.
640 feet?
Yes.
But then this can't be an isosceles triangle if this side is bigger than that side. That can't be isosceles because isosceles triangle says that these two legs are congruent.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think it's scalene.
Oh, okay, you think it's scalene. Oh, meaning that none of the sides are the same.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So this side is really, 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 really long. Okay.
Oh, on the left side, it says 963 feet twice.
It says 963 twice?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's 963? 963?
Yes.
How could that be?
No. Oh, you put it 3 times.
Okay. I'm trying to have... How come it's twice here? Is it broken into segments?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, is this in your math book?
Yes.
Which book?
Geometry.
Geometry book. Do we have the geometry book here? Okay, I don't think I have the geometry book. So are you saying that... Okay, so you're saying that this half of this leg is 963 and this half of the leg is 963? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. And now what?
There's a mid-segment on the left side.
Is a mid-segment right here?
Mid-segment.
Okay. Okay.
And it's called mid-segment CD.
CD.
Okay, so this is from here to here is CD. This is C and this is D.
No, it goes diagonal to the right.
Okay. Oh, it's going is making this a mid. It's cutting this in half.
Yes, but not. But only like a little bit of like from the side, like the corner.
Huh?
It's only cutting a little bit, like from the bottom left-hand corner.
From here to where? To here?
Wait. No, the opposite side.
From
Maybe
here to here?
How's this look, Ashley? Like this?
No, like
from
in between.
I'm gonna mark that A, B, C. Where does it start? A, B, or C? Where does it start? A, B, or C? Where does the line start?
From D to C.
From D
to C.
To C. Like that?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. So this is congruent to this.
Yes.
Okay. Now what?
Well, that's it. I need to find the length of the bridge, which is the mid-segment.
You need to find out from here to here.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. We're good to go. I think.
Well, the total length would be 1,926.
So you need to find out what this length is.
Yeah, the mid-segment.
The length of it.
Yeah.
Is there any right triangles going on in here?
No.
Okay.
Do
Do you have any degrees going on in here?
No.
Are you using any kind of cosine and sine?
No.
No?
Not at that grade level.
I don't know. That's asking. Well.
What are you using? Because I'm not seeing how I can determine what this is unless I know an angle, unless this is a right triangle. I can't really tell.
I don't see the isosceles triangle at all. If it's isosceles, you have a 45, 45, 90 possibly. But
is this all the information that was given to you?
Yes.
Any clues in the studio? Anybody can get involved in this one. I think we're going to get more information and call back.
Yeah,
we got a lot of callers
because
waiting.
there's no way we can get this unless we knew that this was the right
I think
triangle.
we need more information on that one.
I think we might need more
Yeah.
information on this.
Okay, thanks for calling, Ashley. Call back soon. We'll have some more information on us.
Okay.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right.
Next caller is Shade. Who's that?
Sade.
Sade. I know Sade.
You know Sade?
She called last year a lot.
Oh,
hey,
yeah.
Sade.
She sounds like a
How
smooth
you doing,
operator.
girl?
She could be a smooth
What school
operator.
you at?
Drew Freeman.
Drew Freeman.
Oh, yeah.
You take that one. I'm going to look
You
at this one
sure?
some more.
Okay, I'll be happy to.
Okay.
Okay, let's go ahead, Sade. What you got there, girl, for counting on us today?
We are evaluating fractions.
Evaluate a fraction.
I mean formulas. I'm sorry.
Either one, that's fine. Let's go ahead and evaluate. Can you turn your little brother down back in the background there? Okay, go ahead. One more?
It says Bobby traveled nonstop to his mom's house at a rate of 55 mph. I forgot what that stands for.
Miles per hour.
Yeah. It took him 3.5 hours to calculate the distance and he traveled.
3.5 hours, 3.5 hours to get to the mother's house?
Yes.
Okay. Now what?
It says calculate the distance he traveled using the formula D equals R times T.
I love it. Nice job. And what's the D stand for there, Sade?
D stands for 55.
Did you learn this part? D stands for distance?
No, I think D stands for the rate.
D stands for distance?
Oh, yeah, distance, and R stands for the rate.
There you go. Because I don't want to get into a semantic thing here, but that's the... what's T?
T is the time.
Oh, my goodness. Great job. Can you watch this on TV? Are you watching it with us at home?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. So I love the way you knew D equals R times T. That's beautiful. So we're trying to find out the total distance. We already have the rate, which is 55 miles per hour.
Yes.
Okay? And multiply that by 3.5 hours, or 3.5. So go into our little calculator here, save some time. We have 55 times 3.5, 3.5 hours. And it would take all that together would give us 192.5 for the distance. What would that be, though?
It's like from here to Philadelphia.
What would 192.5 stand for? Worms?
It would stand for the rate.
No. We already got the rate. You told me the rate was 55 miles per hour.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be the distance.
Yes. What would that be in, though? Did it say in the book, was it miles or kilometers? What did it say?
I can't hear you because it's an echo.
Oh, okay. Probably miles, because you already told me MPH.
Yes,
So-
it's miles.
Oh, gosh bless you. Nice job there, Sade. You want to try a challenge real fast?
Yes.
Okay. Who's that in the background? Your little brother?
Yes.
Oh, how old is he?
1.
1. Well, let's do this for your little brother and make a sign and show how great you are. You're already getting the name one time. Which one do you want, A, B, C, or D, girl?
C.
Okay. Does Miss Lovely Alzora want to take over on this one?
Sure.
Because you're so good at this.
All right.
Sade.
Let's take a
What
look
a cool
at
name.
C. We're going to flip this over. And can I use your eraser?
You sure can.
We'll erase that side.
I'll help you out.
All right. And you said C. C for Charlie.
Sade, got a name on
Crazy. Cool.
there? Way to go, Sade.
Cunning. Clever. All right, give me your answer. What do I do?
You multiply 2 times 3,
2 times 3.
and then you times it by 3.
Times that by 3.
Uh-oh.
18. Ooh.
Oh.
Nah. plus 8. That was close. 26. That's 26. Oh,
but nice
good
try.
try. That was a good try.
And our next caller out there is going right to Miss Elzora. I think your name is Sarah.
Erase that for me. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good.
Can you smile? Can you smile for me, Sarah?
Hello?
Can you smile for me?
Hi.
Oh, what a nice smile.
You mind turning your TV down all the way there,
Yeah, Sarah smile. Oh, anyway, what school do you attend?
Golson Middle School.
Golson Middle School. Okay, so you got some geometry for us. Big girl stuff. Okay. Okay, so let's work out your geometry problem.
You have, it says, name 2 triangles that are congruent by the ASA postulate.
ASA?
Yeah.
Postulate.
ASA.
A postulate.
Angle, side, angle.
There you go.
Huh?
You have 3 triangles.
Okay, you got 3 triangles. Tell me about the triangles.
Okay. One triangle PQR.
PQR?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of triangle are we looking at? Is it a right triangle or a isosceles? What kind of triangle? PQR.
It's isosceles, but yeah, it's kind of isosceles.
Okay.
Kind of isosceles.
Okay, what's the other triangle?
Then angle P has a semicircle.
It has a semicircle?
Yeah.
And what's the measurement?
It doesn't have a measurement.
Okay.
Angle line P has a tick mark.
Say this again.
Segment P has a tick mark.
Oh, PR?
PR.
Okay, has a tick mark. Okay.
And angle H has 2 semicircles.
Okay. Okay.
Then you have another triangle, same thing.
Okay, let me make this one a little bit bigger. Let me make this a little bit bigger so I can see it. Okay, you have P, that 1, 2, that has an R, that has a segment, and this is Q. Okay, so tell me the other triangle.
You have another triangle, same isosceles too.
Okay.
SUT.
F? What is it?
SUT.
SUT. Okay.
Angle U has a semicircle.
Okay. And here has a tick mark, and here has 2 circles.
No.
Okay.
T has 2 circles.
Okay.
And ST have a tick mark.
ST?
Yeah.
Has a tick mark. Okay.
Then you have a 3rd triangle.
Ooh. Okay.
XWV.
Okay.
V has a semicircle. VW have a tick mark. And W has 2 semicircles.
Okay. So you're trying to prove that one of these, 2 of these are congruent.
By ASA.
By ASA.
I see it, I think.
Okay. All right. So you have anything given?
Excuse me?
Is there any more information given?
No.
That's all you need.
Okay.
That's all you need.
So I might need your help one here.
I would love to help you out.
All right, good, because I from looking at it, I can tell which ones would work. I mean, I can tell. Can you tell between A, B, and C which ones match up?
Who, me or
Sarah?
And C, but I'm not yet sure. That's why I called.
Which one you think match up?
A and C.
I agree.
Bing, bing, bing,
I
bing.
agree. I agree. So now we just have to prove why you say that, because look, we see an angle, angle, side, side, angle, angle, that's
There you
congruent,
go.
right?
Right.
Okay, so what is your teacher looking for you to be able to prove it? Because if you were to say, okay, first of all, we can start talking about the triangles. We can say triangle. We can say that P, angle P, is congruent to which angle V over here, right? Can we say that? And we also can say...
Why don't we do that? Why don't we make it a different color?
Okay. Okay. And then we can say that segment PR is congruent to segment VW. Can we say that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like this problem.
Okay. Okay. And then we can also say that angle R is congruent to angle W. Angle W. But we need more proof, because I could have said the same thing here. I could have said that angle P is congruent to this, and I could say that segment is congruent to that, and this is congruent to that. As something else is missing, I have to also be able to put it in order, so that way we can show that this is in order, because this is in order.
Well, here it is.
So how would we say
The
that?
angle here and that angle there make the first angle connection. The side there in between those two angles and the side between those two angles force it to be that side. And then this angle with double lines, double curves, is the third part of our equation. This one would not qualify. That's angle, angle, side.
Right.
It's not between.
Hello?
Well, yeah. We can pick this up and rotate it, but I'm not sure if that's enough to prove. I'm not sure if that's enough to prove that this is angle side angle. I mean, we see that this angle side angle is congruent to this angle side angle, so that's why I guess they're congruent. But I'm wondering, should we say more? You understand, Sarah? Do you need to say more than that?
I don't think so.
Okay, well, if you do need to say more, then ask your teacher what more do you need to say.
Okay.
Okay, but I think that proves that this is angle side angle, because like he said, this is only side angle angle. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Nice job, Sarah. Thanks for calling in today. And your name is already in here. And we're going to wrap things up. I think we had a lot of great calls, a lot of variety of different kind of problems.
Yeah.
And you're so lovely. We'll let you pick out a winning name today. They're all winners, but somebody gets a special prize.
I'm closing my eyes, and I'm pulling it out. And I've pulled out the name of Sade, the smooth operator.
Oh, my Lord. And you know what? It's always a pleasure to have teamwork and work together, because you can always count on us.
Woohoo!